Me again. The trouble with quitting your job is how little that job then pays you. As a result, I've found myself thrust back into the working world. For those of you unfamiliar with courier and logistics services, I shall give a brief explanation. My task is to take these boxes, put them in the back of my van, drive the van to various predetermined locations, remove a box, or as many boxes that have been determined to be removed at that specific location, ring the doorbell, wait no more than 5 seconds before leaving it behind a bin, or some other suitably unsecure location. As I'm now officially on the clock, I've got no time to waste, so let's go! You can come with me, but you won't get paid, or have any of my sandwiches. Okay, I think we're here. Now I just have to whistle. One, two, three, 4, 5. Right, let's go. Did you hear that? That is the sound of a job well done. Don't get me wrong, I've enjoyed my freedom over the last few weeks. But sometimes it's good to just have someone tell you what to do, where and when to do it. Makes you appreciate the precious spare time you have that little bit more. And nothing beats doing a job well, and helping people, and just making them happy. And I'm sure they'll be extremely happy to receive what sounds like sharp shards of glass in a cardboard box. Each to their own. I've discovered that by not ringing the doorbell for each delivery, I can save myself literally seconds. It may not sound like too much time on its own, but spread over the course of a delivery career, that can add up to minutes, at only minor inconvenience to the recipient. Can't believe no one thought of it before. Anyway, I could have sworn there were more boxes than just the one at the start, but this seems to be the lot of them. So, this work stuff isn't half as bad as I remember. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Goodbye again.